This is the tale of saving 2 chairs. From the dumpster to cash. Or in this case, saving us cash because we didn't have to get 2 more chairs. This one cost about $25 with everything you see here. This one cost a pair of socks. Interested in how you can turn 2 of your chairs back to life? Here we go. This is an honest review. I'm not getting paid anything to do this evaluation, but I wanted to share this with the audience because it's such a great find and it's a solution to throwing something away and getting a lot more good use out of a chair. It's also a great way to customize any chair and giving it your own spin and creativity. For some reason, probably a nervous kid started peeling up that handle. My son came up with this great idea of using ankle socks or crew socks and just sliding them over the arm of the chair. They absorb sweat, they're a little softer than this hard rubber. You could take any color sock, put it on this arm here, and make it your own. Customize it any way you want. So that's a pretty easy fix. This kind of sock, you've already got the solution right at hand. This one here, a bit more complicated, but still easy to do. I'll post below where you can get this, this, and this. So I'm gonna kind of do an unmasking here so you can see what the chair looked like before we put the covers on it. And these covers are great because you can get them all sorts of different colors, motifs. For around $15, I think we paid for that, and probably $4 or $5 for this. And not everybody needs a lumbar support, but we just put it in there just in case you do. It always amazes me that they use pleather on chairs that are structurally in really good shape. So here the pleather just kind of fell off, and some people would be fine with this, but we just wanted something a little more rugged, and you can actually take these off and wash them when they get dirty. So stand by, you may not like what you're gonna see here. The great thing about this design is that it wraps around the post here and in the back, and you can get certain designs based on what kind of chair you have. We're gonna untie this here, untie the other side. Not only am I gonna reveal to you what the chair looks like, but then I'll put it back on and show you how easy it is to put these covers on. Ready? You might wanna avert your eyes. That's what it looked like. This pleather stuff. Looks great on the showroom floor. We liked this chair, it felt good. This was just peeling off and made it unsightly, and you just couldn't sit in it anymore. So we'll start from the very beginning on the cover. So you got it up here, you just slide it down like this. You make all sorts of adjustments. There's these nice zippers on the side. Then you come up here, nice little elastic band there. If you get it dirty for some strange reason, unlike a regular chair, you can clean this one. So then you just come up here, zip it up, come around on this end, do the same thing, find the zipper, and you can see how fast this is. And just finish it off with a rabbit ears knot. You could tie it off permanently if you wanted, but we want to keep it like this just in case we need to wash it. Make the final adjustments all the way around. Tie this one off the same way you did on the other side with a rabbit ear, and just make adjustments all around. I'll spin the chair around. It's pretty solid. Folks that are sitting in chairs for a long time, this is a really nice, comfortable lumbar support. Clips in the back, so we'll just put it in place, flip the chair around, bring both ends together, and clip it. That easy. Oh, try not to twist it like that. So unclip it. And it's got a great little adjustment here if you need it. Put the arms on, adjust those in place, and there you go. A couple simple fixes to save your chairs and trash going to the dump. So it's a twofer. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, sports gear evaluations, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.